Meet the Arctic tern, a bird roughly the size of a pigeon, weighing just 100 grams. Yet every single year it makes a journey no other creature on Earth can match, from the Arctic to Antarctica and back 70,000 miles every year without fail. In its lifetime, an Arctic tern travels the equivalent of 3 trips to the moon and back. 3 trips to the moon. From a bird that fits in your hands, it chases summer across the entire planet, experiencing more daylight than any other creature on Earth because it is always moving toward the sun, never settling, never stopping, always journeying. Scientists tracked one bird and found it flew the equivalent of 1.5 million miles in its lifetime. 1.5 million miles, on wings that span less than a meter. Some creatures were designed for the journey, not the destination. So which of the favors of your Lord will you deny?
فبأي آلاء ربكما تكذبان